What is good, everybody on YouTube? It is your boy Forrest representing back at it again with another video. Yeah, as y'all can see, man, I got this package. I just got this joint in the mail, and I want to show y'all. Y'all can tell I want to show y'all so bad. I didn't even like set up the camera to like give y'all a fucking like. I didn't get. I'm trying to find like the best lighting in this joint. Oh yeah, I didn't even give y'all like the mic setup and sit in the chair. I was about to, but I was like, nah, I gotta show these niggas right now. This is one of the items off of one of my, what was that, 2 videos ago? The ones of the pieces I was like, I gotta have. And I'm about to show y'all right now. Hold on, I'm about to find somewhere to like sit the camera down so I can like show y'all niggas. All right, y'all, hold on. I'm trying to get this shit right, man, because this shit look like it's all fucked up. I'm trying to give y'all the best, like, what's the name? Because, like I said, I ain't set the mic up or nothing like that. Oh, I low-key like this background. How y'all feel about the like white background? If I got on here and like talked right here, how do y'all feel about this? This low-key look alright. I low-key like this better than having my kitchen as the background or something like that. I would just have to get the lighting situation better. But yeah, let me go ahead and grab this joint real fast. Like I said, as y'all know, this is from the video like 2 videos ago. I was telling y'all pieces that I need. This came in the mail and I'm lit right now. Like I said, this video was like very like impulsively, like I was like, damn, I gotta, because I wanted to open this shit and try it on, like just do all of that before I even did this video. But I was like, nah, I gotta show them like me opening it and looking at it and shit like that first. Like I'm all over the place right now, but look, this right here, got this joint from Dover Street Market, you know what I'm saying? Got that thing from Dover Street. I ain't gonna lie, I like this little white background. This low-key look a little alright. I like this, I ain't gonna lie. But look, this is the thing right here. If y'all remember, I had that ERL Swirl hoodie on my list, and I finally got it in the mail. I ain't even gonna lie, when I made that video, I had already ordered it. I was just waiting for it to come in the mail. I mean, but yeah, let me open this right for the first time. Like I said, I tried this hoodie on before. Like I saw it in the store like months ago, and I was just like, nah, I ain't gonna get it. But this time, it's that ERL hoodie. Ew, look at that thing, look at sweet, look at sweetie. Like I said, the only thing I don't like about this joint is the fuck that it don't have like the front pocket, bro. I wish it had a front pocket, but other than that, or like some type of pocket somewhere on the side or something, and inside something, but it's the hoodie right here, y'all. Oh, I'm about to try this joint on for y'all real fast. Hold on, let me try this shit on. Let me try this joint on so y'all can see what it look like. Hold on, I'm gonna make the stand higher so y'all can see it. Hold on. This the hoodie, y'all. Like I said, we in this janky little situation right now. I know this is real like janky. I don't even know if the camera like tilted sideways, the lighting terrible, but I had to show y'all the hoodie, man. Look at the hoodie. Y'all fuck with it or not? Y'all fuck with the hoodie or no, man? Let me know how y'all feel about this joint, man. You know what I'm saying? I just had to show y'all the hoodie, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. It's your boy Forrest, up to y'all.